casting cuts, biglang shut down ka, di ba? Ang hirap. And the 3 tops, ang i-make sure ko, comes from Jammer Monica, Suerte Super Guy, and CN.
They all say.
Jammer Monica says, ang i-make sure ko na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral ang mga anak ko, kung kailangan buhatin ko sila para lang pumasok sa school, gagawin ko. Meron talagang bata na lahat ayaw talaga nila eh. If it were up to them, they just skip it all together. Eh, ikaw syempre, it's like, I just want to give you the best jump start to your adult life. At least if you have a diploma, it's half the battle.
I like that.
It's half the battle.
It's important to have that.
Yeah.
Oh, how true pala to?
Yes.
Ever.
Yeah. Gas.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung sa Tagalog na
Who's there?
totoo.
Yeah.
Hindi mo
What kind
talaga
of
alam.
human yung kalaban mo.
Well,
Hindi mo
pag
alam.
nakachempo ka na, let them have tan lang kayo ng ulo. Let it go. Kahit risk, I can, wala pa akong na next.
But the thing that you told me to take when I have headaches, it works so well.
Oh,
Saridon.
wala pa
My
akong
gosh.
na a-advisean nun na hindi nagsabi na it worked, because it really does. And coming from Suerte Super Guy, ito I cannot agree more. Ang i-make sure ko na hindi ako magro-road rage kasi baka may dalang baril yung makaaway ko.
Oh,
Papagawa ko na lang yung car. I won't risk my life para lang sa isang gasgas.
Yeah.
Among other things, kahit hindi kayo magbanggaan ha, kahit yung kunyari nagkainitan lang kayo ng ulo, let it go. Kahit yung kunyari parang feeling mo na, alam mo yung sa Tagalog na kalalaki, yung parang nakaisa siya sa'yo, give it to them. Let them have their little victory. It's not worth it. Kasi
You don't
pag
know who's there.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Hindi mo
What kind
talaga
of
alam.
human yung kalaban mo.
Well,
Hindi mo
pag
alam.
nakachempo ka ng may saltik, ay,
Yeah.
naku,
To
not
be
worth
honest,
it.
back in the day, I was more like that. But these days, especially when I'm with Chico in the car, I need to protect this 36-year-old
National treasure.
national.
National treasure.
Because you see Chico's, he starts to like
Yes.
roll his lips or
stress.
lick his lips, and then he starts to roll his hands with each other.
The stress drill on.
He's very stressed.
And from CN, ang i-make sure ko, na gagalingan ko ang performance ko para hindi mo ako iwan. At kung iiwan mo man ako, na hindi mo ako makakalimutan.
Ay.
So, either para hindi mo ako iwan, or kunyari, wala talaga ako magagawa, iniwan mo ako, hindi mo naman ako makakalimutan. Because everyone will pale
In
in comparison.
comparison.
Okay, what about us?